Donaldson.
Now, you've probably heard of microchips in wheelie bins. How about, though, cameras in the kitchen which are watching what you throw away?
Researchers at Newcastle University hope to shame students into recycling by using bins that take pictures of their rubbish, and then images of the discarded packaging are posted automatically on social networking sites to see if it encourages them to separate their rubbish a bit more.
Lovely. Fiona Trott joins us from Newcastle University to see how the new approach works. Hello, Fiona.
Hello, good morning to you. Welcome to this student kitchen in Gosforth. Take a look at all this food that's been left over from the night before. If any students here were to throw this away into this bin, you can see it would all get captured on this camera phone inside, and they would be named and shamed by fellow students because, of course, throwing food away would be considered a waste, although I don't really think we're wanting to use any of this again because it's pretty rock hard, isn't it? That aside, the university says that this project is working well.
Breakfast time at the halls of residence.
What date do we have to move out?
Yeah, what's the actual date?
19th or 17th? No, wait, 19th.
But what happens to all those bags and cereal boxes?
Have you guys finished?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool.
Everything they throw in the kitchen bin is being photographed by a camera phone attached to the lid. So if there's anything recyclable in there, the camera catches it and loads it onto Facebook.
Well, you have to be really careful with what you put in the bin. For example, there's this place called the Bin League where it shows the recycling achievement of all the other households, and you can view the photos of what's in their bin. And like, I saw milk cartons in their bin, so like clearly that was why their recycling achievements were lower than ours.
And come on, you know, late nights, early mornings, you might not be paying full attention.
Yeah, exactly,
Do you get caught out?
Sometimes, yeah, but yeah, you really have to think about what you're doing.
They've now bought a recycling bin, so for now, this experiment is working.
Let's speak now to one of the psychologists behind the project, Rob Comer. Why students? Why are you picking on them?
Well, people between 18 and 35 usually aren't the best at recycling. They quite often have just moved out of home, they don't quite know what they should be throwing out, so they're a good target group to actually try and help someone.
You've been checking out the images on the website.
Yeah.
How are they doing?
So far they're doing really well.
Is it working?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So they're really started off, they've reduced how much they're throwing out the bin quite a lot less, and there's some really good evidence there that it is actually being used.
Okay, Helen, you've been taking part in this. Now, of course, when you're with your friends, you're in a communal environment, it's all very competitive, you're going to be watching what you throw away. But how's your behaviour going to change when you move out of the halls?
Well, I think we're all definitely going to continue recycling. I think it's a habit that we all picked up, and I think in our new household we're all going to introduce the whole idea of having two bins, one for general waste and one purely for items that can be recycled.
Okay.
And it's going to be part of our everyday lives, just like it was
So
now.
it's having a lasting effect then?
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, thank you both very much for joining us here this morning. Now, if you're watching this at home, don't worry. It's got nothing to do with the local council getting involved or getting cameras like this being put in your backyard. However, if you're a member of staff at the university, watch out because you're next on the hit list.
Okay.
Ooh.
All right, it's a bit scary. I wouldn't want a
No,
camera
really?
monitoring my rubbish.
Looking at
Ooh,
what
good
you
Lord.
throw away?
I've got no idea what goes in there.
I don't want to know.